Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech MK950. In this video I'll show you where to hide USB dongle in case of trouble. Since both keyboard and mouse are working on the same dongle, you can hide it inside the keyboard and mouse. That's no difference. Simply open the lid and hide it here. Or if you prefer to hide it inside the keyboard, open this lid and hide it here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.